Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Nirala Estate Phase 2 project which is located in Noida Extension. This project is spread over 11 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. There are total 19 number of high-rise towers with 24 number of floors each. The possession of this project will be given by December 2022. Here you can take a view of project site. It's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. As here you can see, the project is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension. So here we are giving you the overall view of project site. This project is in close proximity to various civic utilities. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.